G'day folks, welcome to another masterclass. Today I'm going to show you a really quick way to get your camper set up by using a cordless drill to put your stabiliser legs up or down. What you'll need is an attachment such as this one. It's actually a converter to go from a drill driver to a 1/2 inch drive socket extension. I can put my 19mm socket on that and now use my cordless drill to put the stabiliser leg up and down. So we'll drop it down, get it into position, put our drill in reverse, whack it on there. Okay, you would have heard that rattle at the end. What that is the built-in clutch in the cordless driver. If you've got a clutch on yours, it'll stop you over tightening your stabiliser legs, shearing the gears or breaking the roll pins in there, and it'll also stop the drill catching, spinning and breaking your wrist. You don't want that, that'll end your camping trip real quick. How easy is that, folks? It'll cut heaps of time off, so get yourself one of these. This fitting, go down to Bunnings or Repco, you'll find one no problem at all. For more great tips and tricks, head over to our website and check out the entire masterclass series, but follow us on Facebook and you'll get the updates as they happen.